I'm in Cincinnati, Ohio, and it's a little tiny ground level patio. I consider this a patio. It doesn't have railings, this type of stuff. It does have a beautiful bench here, and sort of a dome, a glass dome, 4 seasons room or 3 seasons room or whatever you call them, right? But what's unique about this deck restoration painting project, and really this is a deck rescue painting project because it's close, is that we have Peeling Behr Deckover here. I'm gonna show you. Let's take a look. This is a terracotta. This is a terracotta colored Behr Deckover. It may even be like an off-brand Behr Deckover, but it's a rescue coating from one of the large home stores, either Home Depot, Lowe's, that type of stuff, right? You can see extreme sun damage is starting to set in here. She's got hairlines that are opening up. Not massive, not horrible. The coating has actually protected the wood somewhat, but underneath this there is extreme damage. If we could peel all of this up, you would see a lot more hairlines, a lot more cracks, just older, weather-worn wood. On top of it, we have this Peeling Behr Deckover that's starting to peel in places. Not horribly, but it's sporadic. It's here and there. Up here on this patio system, we have what we call fastener corrosion. Okay, so you come down here and you look, you got a fastener that's in here somewhere. This wood that's around that fastener has started a chemical reaction with the minerals, the rust, and it's starting to just rot away, right? So the beginning signs of fastener corrosion here. Peeling Behr Deckover, a terracotta colored Peeling Behr Deckover. What am I here for? What am I here for, right? Well, deck rescue painting. She's facing down, having to rip this up and replace it. We're going to come in with the Kong Armor lifetime coating system, but only after we come in, we wash this really well. We get as much of this Peeling Behr Deckover up as we can. We replace bad boards. There's a couple here. You got a corner here where there's rot. These are loose and rotten. We're going to dig this up, replace these back. We're going to put a trim board through here because she has a hole. She has a hole over here where they just put up some flimsy paint stick like trim. We're going to come in with a 2x4 and just run it across the bottom of there and just even that out. Wash, repair, set loose nails, set loose screws. We're gonna pull these bushes back for her, get them off the deck system. This stuff here, which let me tell you guys is very, very bad for your deck systems. You have vines and this type of stuff on your decks. Plants secrete a oil as they grow, that, and some of them are worse than others, that causes destruction to exterior wood, really anything they touch, right? So once all that's done, what we'll do is we'll come in, lockdown encapsulation on all of this. So it'll be a lockdown encapsulation situation with the Kong Armor system, the world's toughest deck armor coating system. Will come in and just engulf this all and encapsulate all this Peeling Behr Deckover and lock it down in place. When we're done, I'll extend her a lifetime limited warranty. Kong is tough. It'll be a lot tougher than what she has, right? So come in, repair the system, get it up to maintenance standards, engulf it, encapsulate it, lock down the peeling coating system, put the patio system back into operation. Save her from patio replacement. Stand by for lockdown. Stand by for transformation. See you guys in the update video.